Hey guys, Rural JDM here. Today I'm going to show you how we turned this into this beautiful, okay, not so beautiful, but definitely a better outcome than what we had before. So if you guys want to see how we did this, stay tuned. Explain why you're doing this and why you've got the fabric.
I was sick and tired of getting bogged. Yeah, I got bogged there, got bogged down there, and there, got bogged right there. So mostly it's the van. The van gets bogged so easy. So, and then at 2:30 in the morning, I just can't deal with it. The stress.
Yeah.
It's just fucking too much.
And what, trying to go to sleep knowing waking up that
I might not get to it.
you want to get out in time.
Yeah. The geotextile, that stops mud coming through. I don't know. So it stops the mud coming up.
How are you going to flatten this? Just cars, or are you just going to just use your feet?
I've got the temp bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot of work.
Yeah.
That's a lot of work. That's painful.
So how much of this do you have to cover at the moment? Like, you've got the whole white thing, you're supposed to cover the whole white thing?
Yeah.
A lot, or just
I want to try
surface?
and get 50 mil coverage. 50 to 70 mil. Yeah, once I've finished the 70 mil, by the time I'm ready to put the really coarse material on top, I might have to recover with this stuff. And then directly afterwards, I want to put the really coarse.
Oh, so you're doing 2 loads of this?
By the time I've done the whole lot, I suspect I needed to really put some sort of drainage along this side, because I think the rain falls this way.
Yeah, it definitely comes down.
Yeah.
Like that.
And I reckon what's going to happen, it's going to pool here, and then once it breaks, it's going to drag all that rock.
It's like a dream or something. When I was young, I remember them days calling my homies names from outside their house. Patience made me wait, but we always went for escape. Now I'm bumping 8 Oasis, kids still going out for skate. Now I'm bumping 8 Oasis, kids still going out for street skates and waking blaze. Hold on, wait, let me just cap this cake. Cut up this bread, let's get this pay. Don't know about you, but I'm catching this break. Let me take it wet, let's catch this break. Let me take it wet. Been getting high for a minute, I might die any second. Don't run up on me, I'm way too fragile, never see me, I'm a vibe, dummy. Go for a ride on a jet. That's like a dream or something. Been getting high for a minute, I might die any second. Don't run up on me, I'm way too fragile, never see me, I'm a vibe, double. Go for a ride on a jet, ain't got no time for no respect. They switch this shit, fuck up this say, okay, now come, what's the way that I bleed? Leaking out his drippin'. So why the fuck am I in this place? My boy, y'all on me trippin'. Double barrel 808s. I'm sick of looking at his face. Here come now, don't fade away. Let's put that pussy in this place. Now, bitch, I ain't done grabbing shit that real. My flow is like a migrant chewing gum. Yo, floating right behind another sun. I'm chillin', kicking back wherever you want. Yo, chillin', kicking back, just think about something. Maybe I could hit this lick, grab a bunch of shit and quick get it off the island. That's not the way that you get it. I'm too excited with no expression. Got my face, now I'm dead to the crescent. Hold up, wait. Counting my blessings. I know a fate when he want my attention. But I'm smiling cause I get the cheese. You know I'm wildin' when I feel the breeze. Jump in the haystack car, Assassin's Creed. You know the way I smoke my dog, don't need that. Fuck up a tricky shit for flat, no pussy, my dude, I need that. Yeah. This one goes up for all your homies and my bros. Been getting high for a minute, I might die any second. Don't run up on me, I'm way too frightened, never see me, I'm a vibe, double threat, go for a ride on a jet. But that's like a dream or something. Been getting high for a minute, I might die any second. Don't run up on me, I'm way too frightened, never see me, I'm a vibe, double threat, go for a ride on a jet. But that's like a dream or something.
satisfying to see it.
What you need, what you seen, what you been through. I done got a lot of things on my mantle, some shit that I should've looked into. Now I'm sitting at the window, hoping that I made the right play. Nah, I should've stayed now. Cause all I do is reminisce all the days I couldn't help but miss. Always with the it is what it is. Now I'm sick of this pain. I'm trying to make it go away. Stay, it always seem to fucking stay. No matter what I do, no matter what I say, I can't even think straight. Baby, on my brain, she don't wanna go away. I'm still staring out the pain, been trying to catch a wave. Baby, get away, cause I'm sick of this. Girl, I'm sick of this pain. I'm trying to make it go away. Stay, it always seem to fucking stay. I'm trying to make it go away. I just might stand in the rain. In the rain! Yeah. And so it's telling, say my baby wants to get it gone. I've been feeling like I'm used to it.
That's day one done and dusted. So we've got most of the way done, or about halfway in day one. Now it's on to day two. Day two I don't feature much in this part, but at the very start of the video, that's my bog tracks right there. I got bogged pretty bad. It was down to the diff. So tune in for day two. It's just a lot more time lapsing, very satisfying to watch.
Just like we met from the start. I don't wanna go so crazy. Shit, all the way to make a living in Mars. I just need like the sky is flying to upper space. We in the stars just took the park and then we sailed away. I really miss that dumb and cute little face. We made a bunch of memories that had us all at a place. Her curly red hair would always be on my pillowcase, and I'd be running around my mama cause I'm missing those days. Say it, yeah. I need to concentrate. My mind has been playing these games. I need to meditate or maybe medicate. I'm trying to fade away. I love this girl and I can't tell her cause it's hard to say. I'm tripping to the sunshine. I don't waste time. I'ma do that. Why these pussy bitches waste time? I don't know that. Remember when we were just 15? Yeah. Remember me and you acting like free. So say my baby wants to get it gone. I've been feeling like I'm used to it. Yeah, shit been running around my mind, just like we kicking it. We smoke a package, journey round, and then we get lit. I said my baby on me steady. Get the vibe, be feeling comfortable. She wanna chill, I see her daily, almost usual. But that's fine, cause I might be in love. Keep me lose myself. Could be better, man. I just gotta find myself. Cloud of thoughts ruining the space of mine. Saying I'm fine. Don't mean that shit all the time. I say check on the mic. I check too. Look at you, a fucking fool, thinking popularity is cool. Gotta focus on your mental. All this shit is confidential. Focus on your state of mind. Only you can know what's right. Staring at the dark blue sky at night. Roller smoking, we talking it in the fucking dead of night. I'm in a dream where we met and shit was acting nice. What kind of scene could be actions that don't happen right? Let me shoot the beam to the point, bitch, I'ma hit it twice. Let me shoot the beam to make it live a better life. Last night I saw she was with a friend. Don't know about what I'm doing or how I'ma end this, man. I swear I'll protect you, little baby, and that's to the end. My darkest demon, that's my baby, that's my best friend. Yeah, running a race, but I just can't keep up. Visually tripping in my mind, don't know what's happening. Stuff, she keep on yelling, acting lame, bitch, I've had enough. I'm with my dude, we smoking, so talking about life and stuff. I said, trying to recap my mind like day to day, what's happening. Wonder what I did yesterday and what's the ad-libs. Sometimes I just can't focus straight, I do what I do, but maybe catch a vibe and hit the road, but not the drive through. Say, let's go dream, let's go dream, let's go dream, let's go motherfucking.
Well guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, leave a like. If you learnt something, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.
Go dream, let's go dream, let's go dream, let's go motherfucking dream, yeah. For a better life, for a